Radiography testing utilizes ionizing radiation to achieve an image of an object on several different viewing medias. This may be gamma rays, or as in this case, X-rays. The examiner marks the weld to be inspected with a measuring tape. This will be visible on the X-ray. Thus, he will know how to determine the exact location of possible irregularities. The film is mounted on the object, and the X-ray tube is set up carefully. The examiner leaves the area, closes the lead door, and operates the device remotely. This way, he avoids coming into contact with the radiation. He adjusts the voltage, current, and duration, depending on the investigated material and the wall thickness. Then he starts the irradiation. The X-rays go through the material and generate a radiographic image on the film or imaging plate once processed. The experienced eye of the examiner interprets the image, and he can now determine the quality of the inspected object and if it meets the standards. X-rays can also be used to establish the authenticity of paintings, for example. Through the centuries, paint contained different quantities of lead. By exposing the paint layers to X-rays, it is possible to establish whether a cloth was repainted and the period from which the paint layers originated. In this case, the radiographic image is recorded on an imaging plate. Using the computer, a digital radiographic image is read. Art experts can use this to determine the authenticity of the painting.